Welcome back to another Reddit critique where I critique all your logo designs and everything that you post on our Reddit that gets upvoted. In this video sponsored by Squarespace, I'm going to be going ahead and not just looking at the most top upvoted over the past week, I'm going to look at the most top upvoted over the past year, the ones that we haven't seen yet, the best work that you guys have voted yourself on the subreddit. Let's get straight into it. So I'm gonna have to do a bit of picking around to see which ones we haven't seen before. I'll do this over memory. Okay, so this one with 166 upvotes, cracked logo concept. Excellent. Has anyone said that one yet? This looks amazing. Very well executed. I like that. Excellent, yes. Enough of the yolks. Okay, so I don't understand the context behind this design, but it looks cool. Very nice. Works well. I guess it's for a kitchen or some sort of diner. I'm not too sure. One thing I like is the playful nature of it. Again, it's legible, it's understandable. I like the fact that the egg being cracked, one side of the egg being cracked is a C, one side of it's a D. Really nicely placed. It's very visually scalable as well. You can read it, it's legible, works all the way around. Playful, I really like it. Again, a great inspiration for anyone else. Let's look at some more comments first before we go to the next one. Thought I'd give a little context. This was a fun logo to work on as I wanted to capture the energy of a cracking egg while still keeping the logo type clear and flexible. I think this logo could be used for a modern fast food chain which fits the snappy name. Cracked. We've seen that one, seen that one, seen that one, seen that one. This next one that we haven't seen yet with 128 upvotes is a solar drop logo. I created this after watching Will's video on the solar drop brief. If you don't know, a few months ago, maybe even a year ago, we created a brief around solar drop. I'll link the video down below so you can see that one, the one that we paid 5 designers. I think it's a really fun video. You'll enjoy it. So I really like the brief because of the futuristic and space themed direction. Yes, it's my favorite direction to go in. I love the icon. I don't like the type. Reason being, the type looked a bit cheap. It's a very fine balance. I think in past videos on Reddit, I explained that having the logo type be looking futuristic is quite important. If it doesn't look futuristic, then it's kind of either looks cheap. But when you go into the more futuristic style of typography, it can look even more cheaper. So it's a fine balance of like getting the right type, and it's very hard to do without actually visually showing you, which hopefully in the next few videos I will show you this, and those videos are all about me going ahead and critiquing, but also redesigning some of these logos. So though I love the icon works super well, looks really nice. I think the problem comes with the type. I really love this modern mock-up that's happening here. Looks really nice. It looks like something out of that game Apex Legends, like one of those loot boxes that you get. Nice spaceship. The yellow color is cool. I think it works well. Again, I was wondering why it's not red, but not everything needs to be red. Oh, that's really cool. The spacesuits. Look at that. That is really nice. Where did you get these mock-ups from? I'd like to see a bit more texture on this one. It kind of looks like superimposed too much on these mock-ups. You can do that in the blend mode options in Photoshop. You can actually take that down. It's like the if function in the blend modes. Really simple hack. The next one with 119 upvotes, posted 6 months ago as well. The Sloppy Bros, a burger joint logo that I did. Let me know what you think. Nice. Before I let you know what I think, I just want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video because every designer needs a website and not every graphic designer is a web designer. Maybe you can like design an amazing website, but you don't know how to develop it and code it. Well, if that's you, you're in the same boat as me. I don't know a thing about coding websites. Great thing about Squarespace is you can design your own website without having to know any code at all. And it can be a website for your portfolio to show your work to the clients. It could also be a website where you sell online digital resources to any designer out there in the world, and affordable for you to have this website to get your own domain and not spend hours learning how to code. If you'd like 10% off your first purchase with Squarespace, and that is only when you actually want to pay for it, you can actually design the website before for free, have a free trial and everything, then 10% off when it goes live. Go ahead and click the link down below in the description. It supports the channel and this video series. I love burger joints. They're great. Don't have many of them in the UK. I'd like to see more where I live. First impressions, love the colors, very passionate there. You got the yellow, you got the kind of coral red in the background. You can't actually see it on my face. It makes me look even redder than I normally am on video. Number one, it looks like a burger. That's great. The creativity in the lettering, super good. I like it. It works really well. It looks like a burger. It's playful enough. It'd be interesting to know how you did this as well. I love the mock-ups here. That looks so cool. You've even got the menus. Look at these menus. Really easy to look at menus. If you want to know if you've got a good design in a restaurant or in a burger joint or anything, just look at the menus. See if they've gone all in. The branding is on point. They're cool as anything. Look at that. I love the level of detail you've gone in on here. You've used appropriate mock-ups to show how it works as well. I like this as well. You've got some imagery in there. Nice. The sloppy bros works super well. The brothers, there they are. So apparently this started as a typeface called Bouncy, but had a lot of envelope and distort modification. I mean, it looks really good for an envelope and distort. Looks really nice. It kind of looks like it's being custom done, like actually hand lettered. Really like it. Well done. This next one is Space, and it was posted 8 months ago, 110 upvotes. Space Company offers co-working office spaces for freelancers and small startups. So a co-working space, very nice. First impressions. First impressions, I love the actual logo of it. You've got a hidden S in there within the negative space. One thing you need to keep in mind is the kerning. Again, I'll say this every time. There is an issue between the P and the A that if you guys can't see it, it's because of the experience level. And that's not to say anyone's bad or anything like that. I look at type all day. I obsess over typography. I design type and fonts, hand lettering, and logo design. You know, it's very difficult to see, but there is a little bit of a problem with the S and P. Move the S and P slightly to the right, a few points. Gotham's a great typeface. I know you're trying to be casual, but I think the S needs to be, I don't know, capitalized. Controversial maybe. But the icon looks great. I love the fact that you got the pink and the blue in there. Really functional design, but also really pleasing to the eye. I really like this one. Let's see what the comments say. I like the colors. Defo great version with maybe a black and white, just to see how well it would work. That's a good idea. Showing a black and white version always shows the functionality. You can tell it should work nicely on an app too. It would indeed. Yeah, dude, you've done a great job with this. Well done. This next one is a bit different. It's a label design for a tea packaging, and it looks interesting. One thing that I really like about this is the color choice. And the reason why is with packaging design, you can actually make people understand what it is before you've even given it. Before they've even read anything, the color means a lot. Because of the green packaging, this sort of really nice earthy dark green, I can tell it's tea. You can just tell it's tea. I really love the detail. It's very ornate. It fits nicely throughout the whole packaging. It's framed well. Because of the way that the packaging is elongated, so it's quite long, you have to fit a lot in there for it to look good. Otherwise it'd be too minimal. And because you're going on an ornate sort of packaging vintage hand lettered look, it works really nicely because you fit it around with all these ornate things without taking anything away. It gives a certain vibe and a certain feel. Love the boat in there. The type choice I think could be a bit different. I'm not the biggest fan of the type. Maybe something a little less ornate with the amount of flourishes going on there with the V, the A and the G. Love the mock-ups, looks great. Love the 3D elements that you've got going on here as well. It makes it look less flat. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm a big sucker for hand-lettered vintage type. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then there are many more Reddit critiques that we do. Most of the time, they're not even critiques. I just give my opinion on them, and it's a way for you guys to go ahead and get critiqued by each other. It's the best way I know is using the Reddit. So if you have work that you would like to see, follow the link down below, join the Reddit. We've got over 11,000 members on there already, with a lot more people who actually visit. Put your work on there, get some critiques, critique someone else's work, give some helpful advice. We're a cool community. And if you want to be part of the community, go ahead and press that red subscribe button down below. It's completely free, and the content that I put on this channel is kind of like a course, but you're getting it for completely free. So go ahead and do that. You will not regret it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.